All right, y'all, we back with another video, man. 87 messages, boy. Check it in with y'all one more again. We on the C10 today. Y'all see it over there. Still in this element, you know what I'm saying? But we working. So today we're gonna go ahead. Well, we're gonna start. This video is not gonna end tonight because it's gonna get dark on me. It's late in the evening. The clouds rolling in. It's gonna be dark in a second. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this center link, drag link off. That's the only thing out of all these parts that I don't have new is this piece right here and this piece. So everything else is going to be replaced like I showed y'all in the last video. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this center link and this idler piece off. Can't remember the name of that, but anyway, I see that it's a 24, so we got this thing and we're gonna go ahead and zip this on up off of here. Don't slip on me. There we go. So that's just both sides. You're coming out, baby. All right. There we go. So now these can pop up out of here. I can't do everything with one hand. I'll be back, y'all. Hold up. Go get my hammer, man. I ain't got no, I don't have a tripod or nothing, so. It's just how we gonna do it. There you go. Hey, don't worry about my foot. I ain't gonna hit my foot. I ain't gonna hit my foot. There we go. Tie rod ends out of there. So I'm leaving this how they came out because I want to make sure that I put everything back the same way. So this one came out of, so this the driver's side, that's the passenger side. So now we got to take this off and this off. This one right here look like it's gonna give me a little problems. Let's see. Let's see what she do. Hey man, old Harbor Freight. My old Harbor Freight tool don't do half bad. Now that's gonna have to be knocked out. Gotta knock everything out. You need a hammer for everything around this bitch. All these parts getting replaced, so I ain't worrying about it. All right, you want to give me trouble? I'll be back. Yes, sir. We just had to beat it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I done told y'all, man, I'm a country dude, man. I don't use all them fancy tools for everything. A lot of times I do stuff at the spur of the moment, so I just get out there and get her done. Let's see. Let go. Let go. We gonna get something done today. We ain't even been out here 10 minutes yet, man. Like I be telling y'all, hey, if you want to get something done, man, you ain't got a whole lot of time. You got wife, kids, you know, whatever you got. Mama, cousin, uncle, whoever you taking care of. Hey, man, you can go outside for 5 or 10 minutes. You ain't got to get a whole lot accomplished. Just as long as you get a little bit accomplished. That's it. And I ain't going to bore y'all knocking this out either because it's going to take me a minute. Unless I can get it in the first 3 strikes. What y'all think? What y'all think? I don't think so. 1, 2, nope, ain't gonna have them. All right, I'll be back and she gonna be off just like that. Yes, Adler arm definitely tried to fight me, bro. But guess who won? I did. So, now that ain't no idler arm. That's a pitman arm. Let me stop lying. Pitman arm tried to fight me, but I won. Now this is the idler arm, but I gotta get a smaller socket because these sockets, these nuts are a little bit smaller. So that looked like about that's like a 14, 15. So let me see what I can find back here. This is 17. That's too big, I think, anyway. That's a 15. Yeah, try this 15. This 15 might do it. Nah, that look like it's too small. Struggling out here, y'all. Struggling. Amateur hour, man. So that's a 15. So maybe the 17 was right. Let's see. Let's see. All right, I'll be back, y'all. I don't even know what size this thing is. It's either 18 or 19. Probably an 18. I ain't want to bore y'all with my shenanigans, man. It is an 18. So 18 to get this pitman arm off. There I go. Idler arm. I'm calling everything the wrong name today. All right, we'll get that nut out of there later. And then now we gotta beat this out of here, just like we did the rest of it. Gotta beat it out, beat it out, beat it, beat it, beat it. Come on, bruh. Tell y'all, this country stuff, man. This country stuff, bro. I tell you. Get out of there, man. All right, all my pieces out. So out of the arm. Pitman arm, we got new parts for those. We got new inner outer tie rods for each side. So we're gonna throw them up there like that. That's the driver's side, that's the passenger side. Once again, then we got this center link here. All my nuts and stuff, I'm gonna put them back on there. That way, if we need them, we'll have them, and we can take them to the store and replace them with new parts if I need to. Pretty sure I got all that, but just want to make sure. And then this piece here. So the whole reason for us taking that apart is to get these two stable pieces off so that we can clean them up and paint them. I didn't beat on these or anything like that. I beat on these pieces here, not the ones that I'm keeping. So got that done. Now I'm gonna start prepping these and cleaning them up for paint. Paint them black so they'll look good with everything else that's going on there. But yeah, you know, doing a little work, man. Hey, we just in the backyard, man. We ain't in no shop. I ain't got all the tools and stuff like that. So, you know, just so you know, you ain't gotta have all that. It's easier. You know, I'm not telling you not to use it, but I'm just showing you that you can do it without it. It might take a little bit more elbow grease, you know, a big 8-pound hammer or whatever, but you can do it. You don't have to use all the fancy tools. You don't have to take time out of your day to stop what you're doing to go to the store to rent tools or whatever, for everything. A lot of things you do need to stop and rent tools for, but be prepared before you start on that project. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this stuff cleaned up so that we can paint it and everything. That's probably actually gonna be a tomorrow thing, if not the next day. It's been a pretty busy week for me. Very busy day. Today and yesterday was real busy for me. I had a lot going on. But I found a few minutes to come out here and get this done. So that's done. So whenever I'm ready to start sanding and prepping and everything and painting, it'll be ready to go. It ain't nothing I gotta wait on. Just a little bit a day, man, go a long way. You ain't gotta do a whole lot, man. Just get a few things done. And I don't want to say every day, because you're not able to do stuff every day sometimes. But whenever you have time, instead of sitting on the couch or, you know, doing nothing, come outside or go in your garage, go in your storage, you know what I'm saying? Go in your driveway, get a little bit done, man, because I know you want to ride. You see everybody else riding, you want to be outside too. I'm tired of seeing Kiki back here in this yard, man. Tired of seeing her back here jacked up. So you know what time it is. We about to get to work. Every chance we get, we working. I need to get her back down on all fours. That way we can take her in the front yard. We're gonna take her in the front, and that's where we're gonna drop the engine in at. I'm speaking it into existence. You know what I'm saying? I'm speaking it into existence. So we're gonna get this suspension done. We're gonna get that frame fixed. We're gonna get this thing back down on all four wheels. We're gonna get this thing up out of here and pull it out that front gate right there. And we're gonna get her in the garage, get that motor and transmission bolted up together, and we're gonna drop this thing in here. Just like that. Just like that. I said it. And I can refer back to this video and get some motivation for my damn self. You know what I'm saying? We coming out this backyard, man. I'm tired of it. Tired of it, man. We got to get from back here. We got to clean up this mess, get all this stuff going. We got to start back messing with the cutlass over here. We got work to do, man. We got work to do. It's something to do all the time. Shouldn't ever be bored if you got a project car. You should never be bored if you got a project car, if you got a family, wife, kids, or any of that, job. If you ain't got no job, whatever, you shouldn't be bored. Life gonna keep on going, man. Get out there and get something done. Be productive. Do something. All right, y'all see, man, I done made me a old makeshift little paint hanger here. Got the drag link sanded down and cleaned up, and this little idler holder piece here. Somebody told me the name of it. I still don't remember. Hey, I'm only human, man. So yeah, we're gonna clean these up real good. Got them up there hanging up. We're gonna clean them up real good, and we're gonna shoot a little rust prevention on it and some paint, and we're gonna go from there. They're gonna be ready for the new steering linkage, or they're gonna be ready for the new steering components. The inner and outer tie rods, new idler arm, new pitman arm. So yeah, y'all see it. Got it cleaned up, sand it down real good, and we about to go to work. You know what it is. Hey, Bill, I use Rust-Oleum too now. Hey, if they sponsor you, they gotta sponsor me too, man. Hey, we a package deal, man. No, I'm just tripping, man. But yeah, hey, Rust-Oleum, man. I use me some Rust-Oleum now. Well, I can say before, like where I live, Rust-Oleum wasn't really on the shelves like that. So the main thing that was on the shelves here where I live at is Duplicolor. But now they've taken the Duplicolor and VHT and stuff off the shelves at most auto parts stores, and they got Rust-Oleum up there. And I'm gonna give y'all some free game, man. You go to the auto parts store, this or any other Rust-Oleum product might be $12 to $15 or $12 to $17 or whatever, depending on what city and state you're in. But if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's or somewhere, you're gonna get this same thing for about $8, $9. Free game, free game. That's it, man. That's all y'all getting today. That's it. That's it. I ain't got nothing else anyway. But yeah, well, we gonna make these parts look new. So that's one coat, man. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. We in there, man. So we're gonna do 2 more coats. So y'all will see it when it's done. It's just it's gonna be under the car. I wasn't trying to make it too perfect or anything like that, but I do like to do my prep work and stuff like that. I already see like a few runs, because for one, I'm gonna have a little issue right here because this bungee cord that I'm using was wet. It been raining here the past few days, and it's supposed to rain the rest of the week. It was wet, so some of that water was like leaking down onto the pieces. So that it is what it is, man. This gonna be under the car. I just needed it to look halfway decent going up against some new parts. And these parts are already looking new like the other ones, man. Let go.
Shout out my haters, I know that you're watching, plotting and wishing, praying that I fall. Shout out my haters.